Hi guys, my name is Nadia Parsitan, and today I will be discussing an app called Mimi Hearing Test. It's basically an app that's able to test your own hearing and be able to understand where you are at in terms of your hearing and what you can do to fix it. So first, let's understand how this app works. So as you can see, that this app is like self running test, so you can do it on your own wherever you are at. However, I do suggest you do it in a quiet setting because you're able to get the true results by that. So you can sit somewhere where in like your bedroom where no one's coming in and out, or somewhere that's a very quiet place. Even in a library would be fine as well because it's very quiet. So how did the test work? You're going to be testing both the left and right side of your hearing. And pretty much what it does is it's like you're going to hear different beeping sounds, um, high and low. So you're going to be testing, you know, high test hearing aid testing and low sounds, right? And this test is able to detect what sounds you are able to hear on both sides, on both your left and right side. So typically you would, as you see in the image located on the left side of the screen, is the where the hearing aid test starts. So pretty much you're gonna click that button that is purple and you're just gonna hold it down when it says when you can hear the beeping sound. Sometimes it's high beeps, sometimes it's low beeps. Again, it's testing your high sounds and low sound beats to see where you are at. So I did run the test on myself, and as we can see, based off the results, is that it shows exactly how much you were able to, hear based off the different types of beats. And then it shows your hearing capacity, so what you can hear in a certain type of setting. It could be in loud settings, quiet settings. It just shows your hearing capacity and where you are at, and then it shows where you should be. Then it also shows what type of diagnosis you are typically are. Again, this is an app, so when you do the test on an app, I would highly suggest going to a ear doctor, a ENT doctor to be able to, make sure that this is true results because this is just an app. This is just to help people who cannot afford health insurance or just want to know where they are at and be able to, help the doctor out. This is, a great app to help, if you have a newborn child and you want to know if, what's going on before going to a doctor, this is a great app to help the kid out in order to, make sure the child's okay and then don't need hearing aids. Again, hearing aids shouldn't define someone. It's a great piece of technology that helps people out. So this app helps you help people understand if they do need it or not, and then they can go to a doctor's office and be able to, help themselves out and figure out whether or not hearing aids are the best type of equipment to help them in the long term. So, as someone who is studying to be an audiologist, I am majoring in language, speech, and hearing science. I do find this app very helpful, especially for those, knowing what's going on right now in society with healthcare, how expensive it is. I do think that this app is a great way to help people determine whether or not they should go to the doctor's office when it comes to their hearing. As someone who does wear hearing aids, I understand how expensive it can be in terms of getting a hearing test done if it's necessary. So when it comes to this app, it helps people detect that and determine whether or not it is necessary to go to a doctor's office. And as someone who is also studying to be an ear doctor, this would help make my job as a doctor so much easier because it gives me a better understanding where my patient may be at and where I can get them to be where they should be. So I think this app is a great way to help people, you know, see where they are and help them in terms of their hearing and understanding of who they are as an individual. And I think this is a great way because communication is key in society. It's the only way we can communicate with one another is by in terms of language, whether different types of languages, but it's most important that we do have our sense of hearing at the end of the day. It's the only way we can comprehend one another. So I do think that this software does bring everyone together in terms of understanding where they are and how they can help improve themselves all together as a whole. So I do highly suggest this app to anyone who needs help in understanding what type of hearing they are and how they can fix that because at the end of the day, that is very important and communication is key in our world. So I want to thank you guys very much for staying tuned into understanding how this app operates and how it can help in long terms and what are the positive impacts of this app. Thank you.